In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Navidrome. So to do this, you first need to head over to their website, which is navidrome.org, and you can see right here documentations and their usage. So you can see right here a lot of their usage. You can see the configuration options, tagging guidelines, custom tags, multi-library support, as well as customizing persistent ID. So you can also use this to host your music. So you can just choose any which one of them to actually see how to use this. So you can write these guidelines and you can see right here as well the installation for the Navidrome. To install this, you first need to download it on the Docker setup page and then set it up using the Navidrome binary. You can install the Windows or you can also install with Docker, also Linux, Mac OS, FreeSP, and you can also install using other options. Once you have successfully downloaded the installer, just head over and install it and you should be able to use the particular app. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.